Since I have been intimate through tutor to President of India, Prime Minister, Chief Minister Shankaracharya, as well as human right. Indian human right and United Nations human right. Here I want to say is in concern with Ram, in concern with Ram and name. What's Ram? That is to discuss later. Here what is in concern with name, its ideal, and people who follow, who are in so depth and so have been hypnotized with dilemma that was not correct, what was educated about Ram. Who is Ram and who is the ideal of Ram? Here if I want to say Ram versus Ram, there are two Ram, Ram 1 as well as Ram 2, Ram 2 I mean to say. Ra is research analysis wing. Forget that. Straight away I want to say, I have to ask, even this is not question, I will not prefer according to my own wish. I am not interested to ask any question and I don't deliver even. Here I have to ask what a person live with. I am asking about politics we are living in presently. Democratics, I mean to say democracy I want to say. One is democrat and another is monarch. There are two Ram. One liked democracy and another monarchy. Here what you live. If you ask why it is democrat and why it is monarch, the Ayodhya, the ideal of Ram was Ram. From where that name came? From where? Ram was the ideal of Ram. Who can be better if you ask any of the Kshatriya, any of the Rajput, any of the Thakur? When all of the monarchies were destroyed by Ram and they established democracy, democrat. That's Ram. Later you used to say Parashuram. As well as Ram, whose ideal was Ram. They little about I will not confirm here if it is ideology, little about they were in connection with monarch. The system of rulers, kingdom, that is. So what you taught to these children, what could we differentiate from where democracy came? Earlier, Ram always were in favor of democracy. They were fed up. I mean to say, if they moved, they judged. Their disciple were Lord Shiva. And everybody knows their decisions. Why we used to say them Guru of Gurus. This is sufficient to understand by those people who are living in democracy, and there is no point to discuss. I will not say that you start to give any comment. No. Here if it is question of criticism, take example of Lord Rama. Lord Rama, I just added appreciative word Lord Rama while they were Manas Rama. They played the character of general human person. In monarchy, it is. So if it is concerned about criticism, to judge their own criticism, example is their washerman. Even they didn't believe their kingdom's spies. No. Who was beloved to them? Hanuman. They aware them that you are being criticized in your kingdom. They straight away went and hide themselves to hear what is criticism to them to satisfy their own people of kingdom. That is. And in result, what they did, they left their own organ, Sita. This is. And if you hear any type of criticism of Rama, what you do, nothing has to say. This is enough. EAPS, EAPS, yes. Akhada a culture.